you ever wondered if Galileo really carried out experiments by dropping things from the top of the Leaning Tower of Pisa? Welcome to Another Perspective on the Past, the series where I tell you an interesting story from the past whilst doing something that you might not expect. Today we're talking about Galileo Galilei. Yes, Galileo was actually his first name, and he's one of the few people in history that we actually refer to by their first name rather than their surname. According to the story, Galileo carried out his experiments by dropping things from the top of the Leaning Tower of Pisa. However, unfortunately, we can't really be sure that it was the Leaning Tower of Pisa and not just some other tower. But what we do know is that he dropped things from a very high height. Are you starting to see the link with skydiving? Galileo found out that when he dropped two balls of the same size and shape from the top of the tower, one weighing more and one weighing less, they still fell at the same speed and hit the ground at the same time. And the tower wasn't even wonky back then, so we can't blame that. This went against contemporary Aristotelian thinking, which said that heavier objects should fall faster than lighter ones. Galileo realized that when a lighter object fell more slowly than a heavier one, it was because there was some other factor at play, what we now call air resistance. Many of Galileo's ideas about the world and the universe went against contemporary thinking, particularly the ideas of the church, and so he found it very difficult to make his theories and his findings more widely known. But nonetheless, he's still one of the most famous early modern scientists to this day, perhaps helped by Queen.
Galileo, Galileo, Galileo Figaro.